All right, so I just ran into Stephanie. This is actually our first time meeting.
It is.
I'm Marlon. It's nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you. Thanks for coming by.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So what do you do for Middleby?
So I am a Vice President of Regional Sales.
Okay.
And also the Director of Marketing with Blodgett Corporation.
Oh, nice. I love marketing. It's kind of like my thing.
It is so much fun.
I love marketing.
It gives you the license to do just about anything.
It really does. It really does.
Like this.
Well, exactly like this,
Yeah.
right? So what is this beautiful piece of equipment I'm looking at right now?
So this oven that we're looking at is called the ImVection Oven. It's a play on words. ImVection is simply impingement and convection in one unit.
Okay.
Clever, right? Again, more marketing.
Marketing. I love it.
So this is one unit with two doors. Behind each door, you'll see two chambers. If you don't mind, I'm going to open this door up a little bit. We can take a look. Each chamber is individually welded and insulated, so they are completely different from each other, allowing each customer to have 4 different cooking chambers in one oven.
So can I cook 4 different things at the same time in one oven?
You can. All completely different from each other. So we have up to 175-degree differential between each chamber without any heat migration. And because they're all individual chambers, there's no flavor transfer.
Wow.
Yeah, so 4 completely different cavities separate from each other. But not only that, we can do different temperatures, we can do different technologies. So for instance, I can have 500 degrees with a pinch air up here, and I can have 375 in convection right here. And we can now do pizza and biscuits, completely separate from each other.
That sounds like efficiency.
It is very efficient and a very small footprint.
So what type of operation typically uses this?
We can solve so many different situations. We can do convenience, we can do chain restaurant, LTOs, but it's also great in schools. We can do smaller kiosks or even just, when you don't need the high capacity, but you need a lot of product quickly, but in a smaller footprint. So because the unit is ventless, there's a catalyst in each chamber, it can virtually go anywhere.
Wow. What is your favorite thing you've ever put in this piece of equipment?
So this piece of equipment will allow a 16-inch pizza.
Oh, wow.
So in this small chamber, you wouldn't know it, but it actually will hold a 16-inch circumference pizza. That will cook in under 4 minutes in impingement mode.
So I can make my lunch in 4 minutes?
4 minutes.
That's 16 inches, just like that.
Yeah, think of how many pizzas.
That's a lot.
How many slices of pizza. So that would make it great, say in a K through 12 situation. It'd make it wonderful to have 4 of these 16-inch pizzas all cooking in under 4 minutes. How many pieces of pizza can you get out at one point? Do the math.
Man, I don't know how you guys do it here at Middleby, but you guys are fantastic.
Dream it up, we make it.
Make your dreams come true at Middleby.
Yeah,
I love
we are.
All right, thanks for your time. I
appreciate your time today. So good to meet you.
Likewise.
Great.